Good afternoon, everyone. This is George Bushak from the Business Products. We're here to show you how to use EMC's application extender through the browser. Now, Marie has the link that I sent her in her email, and if everyone looks at email, take a look at that, and there should be a link to Application Extender. So what we're going to do is go ahead and click on that link. And once that happens, the browser will come up with a login screen. Now, like me, I like to use the full screen of Internet Explorer. And so we're going to go full screen. You can click on F11 if you want to. There we go. Now you'll notice it defaults to CCC, which is our database to all the patient information. And at this point, you're going to type in your username. Mine is this. And after that, type in your password, which Marie has given to you. And mine is going to be this. Log in. And here we have a drawer, if you want to call it, for medical records, the active, and we also will be scanning medical records that are inactive. So let's click on medical records active and just double click. Here we have each resident, chart tabs, the month, the year, and if any notes have been added after the images have been scanned. We made this easy where we have a drop down, so you can actually drop down to the patient's name, the resident, or if you type in the first letter, like F, it'll take you right to F section. So this is Fergus, Gazette, Francois. Same with the chart tabs. There's a whole list of tabs that the files have been recorded. We're going to do the same thing. Admissions, medication and treatment, and so on. Right now I'm just going to say bring all the documents on Francois. We also have months as well as year. Once we added our search criteria, just click on submit, and you'll notice these are all the documents or charts pertaining to Francois. Now, on this screen, this only shows 10 of them, but there's 20. So, by the arrows, we'll take you to the next page, which shows the remaining documents. So let's go back to the previous screen, and let's say we want to look at medication and treatments, which is 4 pages. Double click, and here comes the document. Now our scanner also scans in color, so this gives you a very clear view of these documents, even if pen or pencil have used. If we want to see the document in certain sizes, we can use the icons that are listed: fit to window, height, or width. If we need to zoom in even more, we can use the zoom in or zoom out. If we zoom in, just take our mouse in the middle and actually drag to a portion of this. There's also a magnifying glass. So if we take the magnifying glass to a certain section, it'll actually bring that up in the magnifier. And then we could actually zoom in or zoom out. At this point, if you want to go to the next page, just click on next page. Here, this document is upside down. If we want to see it right side up, rotate it. Here we are on page 2 of 4, 3 of 4, 4 of 4. If we want to go to the next document, click on next document. Or if we want to go back to a new query to search for a particular document, we click here. This basically brings us to the last results, so it'll actually bring us up to all the chart tabs. Let's go view this one. If we want to print this page, basically we just click on print current page and it'll print to that Toshiba in the hallway. If you want to print the whole document, you would click here and then print document, and it'll actually print all 4 pages. If we would like to take a look at a thumb view of all of our pages within this document, click here and that'll come up, and we can actually then zoom in and then choose the document we would like to, and that would pop up. It's very simple. If you want to go back and do more searches, another resident, just click on new query. Notice every place we place the mouse, it brings us to and lets us know what that icon means. Once we're finished viewing or printing our document, all we need to do is log out. And that is it. That's how simple it is to use. Thank you very much.